So let's work out the volume of this shape. So the shape's a cuboid, and that means that its formula, which will be my first line of working, is V is equal to length times breadth times height. Second line, I'm going to substitute in the numbers. So we've got 25 times 20 times 30. And then I will do the calculation on my calculator, and I get 15,000. Now the units are centimetres, so this will be centimetres cubed as I'm dealing with a volume. Next, it wants to work out how many millilitres of liquid will it hold. Well, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimetres cubed. So if I have 15,000 centimetres cubed, I also have 15,000 millilitres. Now, last, it wants me to work out how many litres will it hold. Well, 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres, so I need to divide my answer by 1,000. This means that the decimal place is going to move 3 to the left, or you just do it on your calculator, and you will get 15 litres.